Tuesday, I am in Ulus, Turkey. So the sky has dawned. Well, to take the suit of water, gas and ratafia. Let's get to work. I started in Ulus, where I slept the last 2 nights, and went to Gakoy, Gokpinar, Sirinler, Yamanlar, Muratbasi, Karafasil, Azdavay, Kavakyayla, Daday, and even Mahmutbey Camii, which is the Mahmutbey Mosque, recognized by UNESCO. Then I went to Kastamonu, Fadira Mosque, Tasilar, Çiftlik, Derekoy, Karapurçec, Kamil, Kosdere, Kapaklesme, Durucay, Asegibuk, and finally to Mersifon. The Mahmutbey Mosque is impressive. It is made of wood. The minaret and the roof are from the 14th century. The construction is made of wood without using any metal elements. It is very well preserved and impressive. In addition, it is recognized by UNESCO, so it is great to visit. When I arrived, I saw a small mosque with a fence outside. I approached the fence to see if it was open so I could visit it, but there was a man inside, approached me and asked me in English if I wanted to visit. Later, when I talked to him, it turned out that he was visiting the mosque with his wife, son and daughter. And they had asked for the key to enter. They gave them the keys, told them to visit it themselves and lock it. The only rule they were told was that they should not go up to the second floor because everything is made of wood and it could rot over time. When he saw me, this gentleman asked me if I wanted to go in, and wonderful. I went in with him and he explained a little of what he knew, the history, and then he went out with his son and left me alone in the mosque for a while.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Wow, how beautiful, isn't it? All the way to this village. What is the name of this village? Sarasark. All the way up from the bottom is a wide track. There is a bit of asphalt here in the village. But what a cool climb. It's raining. It would make the drone fly. It is spectacular. It has stopped raining. I think it's only temporary. I'm coming from there where it was raining until this morning. And I'm walking this way. It looks the same as back there. I'm getting wet, but only from the waist down. From the bottom up, I'm very wet. But the jacket protects me from the rain. I'm very wet from the waist down, and I'm wearing my jacket to protect me from the rain. But the water comes in through my shoulders. The best thing is that when I go through the rain with the quad, I wear the suit from the quad, which is not waterproof. The problem is that I don't have waterproof pants. And around here, you can really tell when they are wet. But what a cool day. Too bad about the rain. The mountain is beautiful. Besides, the fog over the mountains gives the landscape a very nice touch. Come on, let's continue. It is 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and the outlook is not very good. A spectacular storm is coming. How cool is that? And I come from over there, from behind, from this lake. I was at the bottom and now I'm coming up. I'm still climbing. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Let's see where we stop to rest and sleep. The good thing is that I've done 360 kilometers. Impressive, what a day. It rained a lot, but what a day. Very nice. Come on, let's get to work. It's 17:30, only half an hour has passed and I'm still climbing. Still a bit to go. I'm going this way. It's foggy, but between fog and fog, you can see a bit of sun at the top. It's full of herds of sheep and cows, all wrapped up in wind and fog. How cool, I hear like drums. How beautiful. It's awesome. Look, it's clearing up and the sun is coming out. Come on, let's get to work. Today was a great day. Having and replenished my energy, I was able to do a very intense day of miles, and at the same time I enjoyed it very much. It rained a lot, there was a lot of mud, and I climbed some important slopes, but what a great day. By the time I reached Mersifon, where I realized it was getting dark and it was the last minutes of light, I found a place to sleep, almost at the first attempt. They had no parking, but I drove the quad all the way to the reception. It was impressive. I thought the quad would not get through the door, but I was able to get in all the way. I parked and was able to get the bags down until the boss must have seen me and I had to back up. I pulled the quad out of the lobby and they let me park it right in front of the taxi stand. When I got to my room, I took a hot shower, washed off all the mud and sweat I had on, and took a walk around the old town. It was late and the market was closed, but ooh, what a beautiful old town. Very well kept. I found a restaurant where I was treated very well and ate. Afterwards, I walked around the old town, which was a good way to relax and end the day. In the end, I went to bed. Tomorrow, I have a lot of work to do.